If you're trying to manage diabetes or possibly alleviate it, if you have pre-diabetes or you're in the early stages of diabetes, then you need to understand how Mayo Clinic has linked uh, the buildup of cellular waste, senescent cells, to diabetes. In a study with mice, when they removed these senescent zombie cells, which are cells that are no longer viable in the body and they're not being broken apart by or taken up by the body by autophagy, then this waste just builds in the body and it damages how our cells function. Research has found that cellular waste building in the pancreas, damaging the islet cells, which make insulin, is really what is manifesting as diabetes. But to me, it has more than just is the body making insulin, it's how your cells are using that insulin. And when our lymphatic system, a tiny network of vessels and nodes, can no longer clean our body efficiently, then waste, our own cellular waste, builds in our body, creating inflammation, which really leads to most disease, but definitely diabetes. So if you want to help diabetes, then you need to learn how to create circulation in your body to help reduce this buildup of cellular waste that's affecting really all of us. Have you noticed that with diabetes, as it gets into the later stages, you'll have heart disease, kidney disease, you'll get neuropathy, you'll have sores breaking out on your skin. That's all because your lymphatic system, a tiny network of vessels and nodes that must clean your skin, your muscles, your bones, your organs, and your brain, it's not doing it effectively, and we fill with this waste. So if you want to gain control over your diabetes, if you're in the early stages and you want to try and alleviate it, then you need to create circulation. I'm going to show you how to and understand the lymphatic system is a major system in your body that completes circulation. We all think of the arteries and our veins, but it's really about arteries and veins and then your lymph system that has to pick up the waste that's left in your organs and tissues, your blood vessels, and your brain. And we've always thought the lymphatic system only handled 15% of the waste in the body. In the last few years, we know now that the lymphatic system is a major system to clean your body and your brain. And unfortunately, we don't think about it. So if you want to change your life, you want to feel better, you want to have more control over your diabetes or alleviate it, then you need to start thinking about your lymphatic system, your body's sewage treatment system. One little vessel on either side of your neck right here that has to take the fluid and waste from thousands of lymph vessels, hundreds of lymph nodes, and when those one vessel on either side gets clogged up, we fill with waste. So it's important that we keep our shoulders more relaxed, and I'm going to show you how to do the LymphMan Shoulder Shuffle. Put your hands on your lap, sit with good posture. Posture is key, and you want to just keep your head from tilting back and forth. And just raise one shoulder, put it down, and put the other shoulder up. Then reverse it, and just do that nice and easy about 10 times. If you have any pain or surgeries in your neck, very gently. But if you have no neck problems and you can handle it, just go ahead and do it about 10, 15 times. Really a little faster, really pump it up to your ears. Man, I feel that. My arms are tingling, my legs are tingling. I can breathe more easily. I understand a system in the body that's missed in medicine. And if you want to change your health, no matter what it is, diabetes, digestive issues, you want to recuperate after cancer, you're in cancer treatment, you have a child who's not doing well, it doesn't matter. We all need to understand our lymphatic system and how to use it to clean our body. And I'm a master at that. I teach people around the world how to change their lives. So if you'd like more information, just contact me at healthylymphsystem.com. That's healthylymphsystem.com. But if you have diabetes, you can definitely gain more control by understanding that you have to take a little more personal responsibility on what you're eating, what supplements you take, and really the amount of exercise. But most importantly, how you move your lymphatic system. And what I teach people is how to do that, how to use diet, supplements, and their own two hands to change their lives. I hope this makes a difference. I hope you have a great day.